Your weather video for this Sunday, June the 20th. I'm meteorologist Bill Murray. Happy Father's Day to everyone out there. Early on this Sunday morning, getting this video recorded tonight at 1:30. As things are calming down just a bit. The situation is not over, but at least the torrential rains have ended. This is the radar tonight here at 1:30, showing a large area of moderate rain associated with the circulation of tropical depression Claudette. Hard to find where that surface center is. Probably somewhere between Birmingham and Columbus, Georgia at this point. But we saw an amazing flare up of thunderstorms tonight over parts of Tuscaloosa, Greene County, and then this explosion. You just see these cold cloud tops. We went literally from seeing almost no thunderstorm activity, just a lot of low top sort of tropical convection going on over western Alabama. And then around sunset, it just started to go crazy. Parts of Tuscaloosa County picking up 6 to 8 inches of rain, this area right here. Tremendous amounts of reports of flooding coming from Northport, the city of Tuscaloosa, the University of Alabama, all those areas. This extended down into Greene County. Those amounts there showing 6 to 7 inches, and they may be a little low. Dr. Laura Myers reported 8 inches of rain at her home in Tuscaloosa. And we had excellent reports coming from North River Yacht Club, which showed, in excess of, 6 to 7 inches as well. Now, the bad news is that the airport at Tuscaloosa, the observation went out at 7:30. They had gotten upwards of 2 inches of rain in an hour, and were probably way higher than that. Some of the heaviest rainfall fell over that part of Tuscaloosa County. Now, the rainfall moved up into Birmingham, where lots of the Birmingham area got 3 to 5 inches of rain. And then there was also additional very heavy rain. As you can see, this is these are storm totals here up over northeast Alabama, DeKalb County, Marshall County, parts of Cherokee County. Lots and lots of reports of flooding from there. The reports started to come in from the Birmingham metro area. We knew that was going to be bad when that heavier rain started to move up into the metro. And there were numerous reports of water rescues and flooding, especially in the Terrence City area, downtown Birmingham, Midfield, Fairfield. The Village Creek at Avenue W in Inslee was at 13.72 feet, but it had stopped rising. That's just barely a foot below the all-time record. Now, the good news is our convection allowing models, which I can't say have done a great job with this system so far, but they do indicate that the system will sort of dissipate in terms of rainfall over north central Alabama over the next few hours. This is at 7 a.m. This morning, showing activity there. South of the circulation center, it should be straddling the Alabama and the Alabama Georgia border there to the south of Anniston, really around Lynette and Valley over in Chambers County. But this activity is going to be pushing out of the state. Few scattered showers remaining through the morning around the circulation. We'll start the day very cloudy, but clouds will begin to thin as we get through the morning hours over western Alabama. And I think most areas west of I-65 will probably see some sunshine by early afternoon, with some increasing sunshine in eastern sections. But you'll see, anywhere you do clear, you'll see a nice healthy field of cumulus form back in its place. The atmosphere is going to be absolutely still juiced over Alabama. The system may be moving on, but it is not taking its air mass with us. Later in the day, HRRR, this is going out to 2 o'clock, showing just a scattered shower or two over eastern Alabama. Most of the activity is on out of here. Now, expect partly cloudy skies overnight, lows dropping into the lower 70s, very muggy after afternoon highs in the middle 80s. Let's go through some model exercises here. This is the GFS, the American, showing 4 p.m. on Monday, indicating mostly dry across central Alabama. A few scattered showers and thunderstorms can't be ruled out, especially the heating of the day and all that moisture that'll be left in place. And look to the north, another cold front, like the one we saw last week, will be working its way down here. SPC has a large part of this area outlooked for severe weather down into northwest Alabama. So as these thunderstorms work into our state late Monday night, we could see strong to severe thunderstorms again, with damaging winds being the main threat from that system. This is just before sunrise on early Tuesday morning, showing the front over northwest Alabama. Showers and thunderstorms could be expected anywhere across central and north Alabama during the overnight hours, early morning hours on Tuesday. But as you can see, the front is pushed south of Birmingham by 4 in the afternoon. Showers and thunderstorms limited to South Alabama, the coastal sections. If you're going to the beach or if you're at the beach, like Scott Martin is this week, you're going to see showers and thunderstorms. They're just going to be part of the forecast each and every day. Wednesday, it looks like we might dry out a little bit. You saw there Tuesday, Birmingham, I-59, and Anniston Gas, Tuscaloosa might be dry. It looks that way for Wednesday, too. We'll be watching that front stalled out over South Alabama. That's where fronts go to die this time of year in the southeastern United States. And any disturbances that ripple along it could light it up and could push some of those showers back up into central Alabama. European kind of hinting at that. The GFS keeps us mostly dry on Wednesday. That's the forecast we'll go for. Thursday, you can see some of that rain activity lifting back northward. Rain, showers and thunderstorms possible over the southern half of the state. Northern half should still be dry, but we'll be watching that very closely. High temperatures in the 80s each day. This is Friday. Look, another front coming down. Look from the Ohio Valley. This has been the season of fronts. Showers and thunderstorms increasing again across western Kentucky, Tennessee, Arkansas, Mississippi, moving into northwest Alabama. We'll call for a better chance of rain on Friday and a good chance of rain and thunderstorms with that front down into here on Saturday. This is 4 p.m. off the GFS. And looks like more of the same for Sunday. That front maybe stalls out a little further to the north, and that could keep us in fairly healthy rain chances right on through the weekend. We'll shoot out to the end of the period. At the end of the 2 weeks, guess what's there? That's the 4th of July. And this looks like excellent weather for Independence Day. So we'll be happy if we get that. But that is voodoo country, can change a lot between now and then. Temperatures off the National Blender model shows we may not get out of the 70s on Tuesday. Behind that front, some lingering clouds and rain in the area. But you see, we settle into a very seasonal regime of temperatures for the next several days, not varying very much, between 85 and 87 degrees for the highs. The overnight lows between 68 and 70. And that's not too bad for June. Well, we didn't know what was going to happen with potential tropical cyclone 3. We went to bed last night thinking it, might never develop into a named storm, even though it had the winds for it. It just never had the circulation. But right as it approached landfall over southeastern Louisiana, that circulation became evident. And that circulation was really evident today. So this storm strengthened right before landfall. You can see the outflow helping it out. So we got 3 storms in the book already. Nothing showing up over the next 2 weeks over the Atlantic, so we should be quiet for a little while. But another active hurricane season looks in store for us out of the Atlantic. Watch with a video for this Sunday, June the 20th. Happy Father's Day again, everyone. I'll have notes on the blog, an update on the forecast coming up at noon. We'll be watching any showers in the clearing trend as it moves across Alabama. And we'll be back. Scott and I'll be back with videos all this week as James will be on vacation, and reports on the blog throughout the week, of course. And as I always tell you, until I see you here again, keep an eye to the sky because you'll always have something fun to look at.